So you're welcome. I think I can see Abdul online. So I think we have just a minute to go. If you can hear me, Vitalis, you are welcome. You are welcome. I believe you can hear what I'm saying trying to say now. I believe you can hear me right now. Vitalis, I've been trying to reach out to you, but I don't know why I've not been able to reach out to you. So after the session, Vitalis, please let me see you. Let's reach out to me, okay? All right.
Yes,
So
I'm
I'm
here.
trying to say, okay, I believe you can hear me right now. That's good. So
Yes.
let's wait for others. Let's wait for others to join us. So we are waiting for that. So we are going to start shortly. Right. I want to share my screen for you guys so that you'll be able to see. All right. So pretty good. So I think you can now hear me now. You're welcome. So now we want to proceed. So let's start with introduction. So I want you to introduce yourself, your name, and where you are joining the live chat from. I would like to know that. So proceed, and let's start with that. Anyone can start. Yes, anyone can start. I'm seeing like 3 people or 4 people online. So anyone can start. All right, proceed. Please, who is speaking now? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Anyone can speak. Yeah. Can you see my screen right now? Can you see my screen? Can you see shots?
Yes.
That's very good. That's very good. So pretty good, pretty good. So I want you to introduce yourself. Let me start with the first person that I'm seeing. All right. So Vitalis, you can just proceed with your own and let's continue like that.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Um, my name is Vitalis FS. I'm a student of Daily Trade Academy. That is it. Thank you all.
All right. So in the absence of no, I want you people to introduce yourself, but I think some are having network issue. All right. So I'm going to proceed. I'm going to proceed. I'm going to proceed. I'm going to proceed. So I'd like to know every one of us, but I don't know. Some of us are actually maybe are not. I want to be sure if you can hear me. That's what I'm trying to ensure that you introduce yourself, and with that we'll get to know ourselves properly. All right. So I'm saying Amide Ezekiel. I'm saying Muturayo Lawal. Please, I would like to know where you are actually joining us from. I would like to know that. All right. Hope you can speak. Or you can speak or what? Or you can speak. Okay. Sorry. Allowed to speak. Oh, you can now speak. I think. All right. It's like everyone just want to listen. All right. Now let's proceed. If we don't, if we just actually choose, if we choose not to introduce ourselves, good. Let us proceed. All right. Before we get started, I would like you to share. Hope you have shared the link for this particular session because it's very powerful. It's going to be a very wonderful, session. I will actually share this at all. Hope you share the link. So if you have not done that, I will just give us a few minutes to do that briefly and share and share the good news. Yeah, share the good news to your friends. Share the good news to your friend. Share it to them. Share it to them. Share it to them. Ask them to join us right now, right now, right now, right now. You can just take the link, share the link on your WhatsApp status, tell them to join now. It's going on right now. It's going on right now. Okay, so you can do well to tell them. Now I want to be sure that you can see my screen. Of course, you can see my screen. So now the first thing that I want you to know is that what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be teaching ourselves how to analyze the market, when to buy and when to sell, because this is a question that we need to answer before we can make our decisions. We need to ask ourselves, okay, am I buying? Can I sell? All right. So there are the basic things that you need to ask yourself. All right. So while we proceed, the thing that we're going to be doing today, as I've said, we are going to teach ourselves how to analyze the market, proper way of doing that, and also we are going to be discussing how to be profitable, and also how we are going to have a trading plan, and also what to do to be consistent, in the market, to be a consistent trader. It takes a lot of sacrifice. It takes a lot of commitment for you to be a consistent trader. All right. So while we proceed, yeah. For all beginners in the house, if you are beginners in the house, just say hi, 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 hi. Just say yes, I am. Just respond and say yes, I am. Yes, I am. If you are a beginner, like a total beginner that doesn't even know how to press buy and sell on the MetaTrader 4, just say hi. Just say hi. All right, just say hi. Okay. It means that probably all of us are actually not new to these things. So you're not new to these things. So giving a free ebook for you guys to go through the ebooks, and whatever question you are having, I'm readily available to answer your question. So if you're a beginner, start with that. Start with that. Start with that. So when you're able to start with that ebook, okay, so then you proceed to the next stage, the next level. All right. Hello. Hope you can hear what I'm saying now.
Yes.
Okay. I think I should remind people on my group that we have started the webinar. Like some of them are not aware. Okay. All right. So what I'm trying to say now is that for all beginners, right? I'll give you. So after this short class, after this webinar, just come to my DM to have it. All right. Just come to my DM to have it. All right. I just want to remind our people, that I am live on Telegram. I am live on Telegram. So you too, you can also do the same thing. I'm doing the same thing here. I posted on my group. You can also posted on your status that we are live now. So just remind your people, just remind them. Put on status that we are live. Just share the link, the Telegram link. Share it already on the group, right? Share it, and invite others. So I believe that you can see my screen. I believe my screen is clear.
Yes.
I believe my screen
Yes, your screen is clear. We are seeing it very well.
That's very good.
Everything is clear.
So,
It's clear.
hope my voice is also clear. Hope my voice is not breaking.
Very well. It's clear.
Thank you, Vitalis. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Okay, it's clear, right?
Yes.
Very good. Now, as I was saying that, yeah, there is need for you to understand how to analyze the market properly, and that's the problem we have as a trader. We want to know when to buy, we want to know when to sell. That's the problem. So, and the problems come with, solving the problem with the strategy. All right, when you have a strategy, it will tell you when you are supposed to buy and when you are supposed to sell. So if you're a total beginner, like total beginner at all, you don't know anything about forex trading, don't worry, you'll get through everything. I'll be explaining how to analyze market properly and what you can do to make you a profitable trader, and also how you can be consistent. That's the major thing that we're going to be doing right now. Okay. So as I've said, that when to buy and when to sell is a problem that we have as a trader. So that's one of the problems that I want to solve for us right tonight. And you need to know that for a strategy to be profitable, it has to be simple. So a simple strategy is a profitable strategy. It's not until you have, a kind of a a complex strategy that you will need to be, looking for this and that, trying to, giving yourself a lot of mental stress, right? It will make it profitable. You have to have a simple strategy. And the reason is because, out of the elements that you need to be a profitable trader, strategy is like 10% out of 100%. So out of 100%, strategy just 10%. So you don't have to focus on making your strategy that is, 10% out of 100% to be so complex. So what our vision for the academy is that we want to build profitable trader. All right. We want to build profitable trader. We want to build profitable trader with a simple strategy. Right? So that is what we want to ensure that we are doing. We want to build profitable trader. And you know that when we talk about something, we want to build something. It's something that a hello?
Yes, hello?
All right. I think we are together, right?
Yes.
Hope
Yes.
the
The number is the number is
network is
not
not
huge.
breaking.
Yes. Yes, yes,
All
yes.
right, thank you. So, as I was saying that, your strategy needs to be simple. To be what? In order to be profitable, it must be simple. So, a simple strategy is a profitable strategy because strategy does not really take, big proportion when it comes to profitability. All right. So, that's the reason why you need to focus mainly on building your factors of trading, which is number one, strategy. Number two, that is number two, psychology. Number three, which is the risk management part of it. So let's go straight to the screen and let me show you something. So as you can see, I think you can see my hello.
Yes, hello?
I I learned that my screen is not showing again, Abby.
Yes, yes, yes.
What about now?
Still not showing.
Wow. It's not showing like this.
No, no, no.
Sorry, I want to share my screen to explain something for you in the market.
Yes, it's showing now.
Thank you. So now I want to show, like, you need to understand, number one, how do you analyze the market? You want to analyze the market by understanding the market structure. Market structure, there are basically we have three types of market structure. All right. We have the uptrend,
Yes.
we have the downtrend, we also have the what? Consolidation. That's how the
Consolidate.
three, yeah, that's the three market structure that we have in the market. So once you're able to know all those things, you'll be able to come around with your strategy. So, and all strategy that you can know, that exist in the market, they are all formed from what? From the market structure. So when you talk about market structure, they are the basics of all strategies. All right. So you also, once you understand the market structure, you can come up with your own strategy. They're very, very simple. As I said that our own, that we are giving out a simple strategy that is profitable.
So we can't hear you again.
Sorry, I said that if you actually notice any. All right. So I think network is going 600, right? Sorry for that.
Yes.
Yeah, I think we're not back. Right. So what I'm trying to say is that you need to understand those market structure properly, and you must be able to know how to identify them in the market. Understand how you can identify the structure and knowing how you can identify them in the market. All right. So that's the basic things that you need to understand when it comes to market structure. So as I said, we have the uptrend, we have the downtrend, we also have the consolidation. So when market is moving uptrend, you buy, and when market is moving downtrend, you sell. And when market is consolidating, you don't even buy and sell. That's the best thing you can do. You don't want to buy, you don't want to sell. So you want to wait for market to give you a decision, a bias of the trend, because basically what we do in the market is that we trade the trend, we follow the trend. That's all what we do in the market. So your own is that how can you be able to identify all those things in the market? So that's the reason why I want to share my screen so that I'll practically show you how you can identify the trend in the market. So now let me quickly share my screen and, so that you'll be able to see what I'm trying to explain now. So when market is moving like this, so when we have a market breaking, previous low and it's failing to break this high, all right. So once you notice that it has broken this particular low, which is this, it will have a retracement and it will keep on going like that. As you know that forex market is, the pattern is zigzag. It's not possible for a market to be going like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. No. As a point, it will take a break at a point. All right. So that's how market is. The market cannot be going up for life or going down for life. So at a particular point, it will take a break. So our own is to know what exactly is the trend of the market. Is it going up or down? So when market is breaking lows, all right, what do? You want to sell. That's simple as it is. When market is breaking low, you want to sell. I think you can see my screen. So when market is actually, breaking highs, is breaking the highs. It has broken this high, all right. It has broken this. This high has been broken here, all right. It has broken this high again. So this one, what do? You buy. As simple as it is. But it doesn't really look like this. As how clear you can see that it's very clear on the market, on the chart like this. But it's not like that in the market. You will need to open your eyes very well, shine your eyes before you can be able to identify this pattern, because it doesn't, like, as the way you are seeing it now, you are seeing it very smooth on my screen. But by the time I will now give you the chart, you see that it's a different case. Now let's look at this example now. As you can see on my screen, you can see that price is breaking highs. So now let me draw the pattern for you now. When market starts like this, let's start from here. We have this particular high. It was broken. So you can see how it was broken. Now for it to have broken it now, it shows that what price the buyers are seeing in the market, because it has broken this particular high. So you wait for price to retrace back. You can see how it retrace. It went all the way up again. It broke this particular high. It went all the way up. All right. It shows that what buyers are seeing in the market. But later on, what happened? It changed to downtrend. You can see that. Why does it downtrend? You see that it changed to downtrend after it has broken this previous low. Talking about this low now is now broken. Now you can see how the market came all the way down. All right. It broke this low. It broke this low, right? It broke this low. So it shows that market is what? It's actually going in a downtrend. So this is how you can understand, the market structure of uptrend and downtrend. So just if you are talking about the uptrend, just pay attention to the highs. That the highs will be broken, will be broken, will be having higher highs. Just pay attention to that alone. All right. When you are talking about a downtrend, a market will be breaking a lower low. Right, that's just the idea behind all those kind of things. So once you're able to know that, then you'll be able to, determine when you want to buy and sell. And you want to ask me that, when do I enter this market? When do I enter this market? That's when it comes to you understanding demand and supply. So when you are going to enter at it's either demand zone or supply zone. And let me just quickly teach you all these things before we proceed. Now, when there is a pattern like this in the market, let's say there is a particular low here the market has broken. So for market to have broken this particular low, okay, well, let me do like this. For market to have broken this particular low, all right, to have broken this low, it shows that there is a high momentum of sellers in the market. It means that what sellers are in the market because this particular low has been broken. All right. If sellers are not in the market, then it will have actually reversed from this particular low. But for it to have come all the way down, breaking this particular high shows that there is what sellers in the market. And what do? You patiently wait for price to reverse. There will be a correction of this trend, of this, of this move. Then you want to wait, but you have to be paying attention to whatever pattern that the market is talking about. All right. So usually at this particular level, we usually have, all right. So you want to wait patiently to mark the zone that causes this break of structure. This thing is broken right now here. So what causes the break of structure, or what caused it? So what caused it is around this particular zone. All right. So you wait for price to come all the way back here before you sell. If it doesn't come, don't sell. If it doesn't come here, sometimes it might actually come around here. All right. It might come around here, or it might give you some pattern around here and start coming down. Don't enter. That's the reason why you have to be patient in the market. So hello, hope we are still together.
Yes.
All right, just affirm my words. Just affirm my words so that we know that okay, you are online, please. Vitalis, I would like you to be doing that for me. Thank you. So now, so you want to pay attention to all the patterns that will be forming around here. So if price did not come here, don't sell. Don't sell. Sometimes market might do this, and start dropping. Let it go. Let it go. Wait for the one that will come here before you start to sell. Don't take, if you see the pattern, this thing might sell. Oh. If it eventually sell, leave it, let it go. Another one will come. All right. So when price comes around this zone, that's when you should what? You should sell. So sometimes price will form a liquidity here, will form the kind of pattern here. All right. So because it has come all the way down now, some people be like, let me enter here because this is showing that market want to sell. But those smart money, they have known that, people might want to sell here. They will now what? Take their stop loss. They will now start to sell from here and coming down. So, all right. So this is the reason why you have to be patient. Ensure that price comes to your zone before you take your action. If price does not come there, don't take any trade, right? So don't take any position. Wait. Be patient. All right. So that's how you need to understand the zone. So this is where zone comes in. So same thing applies to the sell. All right. Sorry, to the buy. Buy when the market is going up, breaking structure. All right. So there is a breaking of structure here. All right. What do? It means that you are going to wait for price to do what? To come to your what? To your zone right now, right? To wait for price to come around this. If it does not come, what do? Don't buy. Don't buy. When price comes to your zone, then that's when you do what? That's when you will buy. All right. That's when you will buy. So now, because sometimes market can be so tricky. Okay, let me start again. So I'm talking about when we have something like this, when market has actually, having this. All right, we have. Sorry. Hope we are still online together.
Yes.
Thank you. So when we have markets like this breaking highs, now it has broken a high now. So you want to enter here. Don't enter when price might give you some sign to enter here. Like this. Let me buy. No. Don't buy.
That's a trap.
Thank you. That's a trap. Wait for price to come. And if eventually it doesn't come here, leave it, let it go. Let it be going. All right, because if visitors want to enter here now, you have to put your stop loss here. And if you put your stop loss here now, it's a very great risk. It will widen your stop loss. So why can't you be patient? Wait. If it doesn't come to your zone, leave it, let it go. This is a trap. All right? This is a trap. So as I've said, so it will want to come here, and before you take decision to buy. So when price come here, then after you have seen that, price is rejecting this zone, then you now start to buy. As simple as it is. So this is the model for buy. This is the model for sell. This is all what you need to know when it comes to. So this is when we have a uptrend, a downtrend. So I've talked about the zone to buy and the zone to sell in an uptrend and in a downtrend. What you need to see, what you need to understand before you can take a position to buy or sell. Very simple. And you take your profit in this previous high, put a stop loss here, then you are good to go. Put a stop loss here, take your profit in this previous low, then you are good to go, right? So this is how you can practically analyze the market. So I know that this thing might be looking strange to people that are beginners in the game. Maybe you are just seeing it for the first time. It might look so strange to you. It was once like that for us as well. When we started, it was once like that for us. But now we are here and we are doing very great. Okay. So that's just the model. So what I've shared so far is that in the forex market, we have structures. We have structures, right? We have the market structures, which is, the kind of thing that can really happen in the forex market, which means that in the forex market, price can either go uptrend, downtrend, or price can consolidate. So I have shown us the practical aspect in a scenario that if market is buying, okay, it prints an uptrend, which means it breaks higher, it keeps on breaking the high. But if it is selling, it keeps on breaking lows. So which means that sellers, they are low breakers, and buyers, they are higher, they break the high. So once they break the high, you look for your zone where you can buy and continue the trend. That's as simple as it is. All right. So that's just the short one that we have. I don't want to waste much time on this live webinar. So we are going to be having a kind of a time for question and answer. All right. And as I've said, that the aim of the academy is that we want to ensure that we have a simple strategy. So our vision is that we want to build now. For you to build something, you know that it doesn't take 1, 2, 3 days for you to build a house. You don't build a house for 2, 3 days. You don't become a doctor in 2, 3 days. You don't become a lawyer in 2, 3 days. It takes time. That's our own vision as well. We want to build traders. All right. We want to build them to be profitable with what? Simple strategy. So because strategy is just a minor proportion of what it takes to become a forex trader or a profitable trader, right? So that's the reason why I don't want to focus more attention on, having a complex strategy, because only strategy alone cannot make you profitable. You have risk management, you have psychology. All right. So these things are the component. There are things that you need to bring together. All right. That can make you profitable, not only strategy. So that's why it has to be simple, so that you don't keep questioning yourself. Maybe anytime you're in loss, you'll be like, and this strategy is very complex. Because if it is too complex, you will not, you don't want to accept your losses. You'll be like, this strategy is a complex strategy. How will I be wrong? How will this thing be wrong? No. But once you know it is simple and it's profitable, you don't have to question yourself. You just want to execute your trade and move on. All right. So that's practically what you understand about our own academy, is that we are different from others. In the sense that we want to be making it simple and making it profitable. That's just it. So I don't want to waste much time. I know that we have questions to ask. So, and also in our academy, we have a kind of a trading plan for everyone. So as you are coming in, we will ensure that you have a set account. That set account, you keep on trading it. I will see how consent you have with it. Then after that, then I will now ensure that you build it to the extent that you use the money, the profit you make from that set account to buy a profit account. All right. Then from that profit account, you start building your career as a trader. Okay. So that's why I see that we are building our trader now. It's not that you just want to come today and make money tomorrow. No. You are building. So it takes time for you to be a trader, and we are going to build you and become a profitable trader. Okay. So that is that about that. So, and for you to be consistent in trading, you need to belong to a community. You have to have a mentor. If you like it or not, you have to have a mentor. All right. If you don't want to be, even at all, I usually tell my students that in the forex market, you don't lose. When you lose, you learn, and when you make profit, you earn. Right? That's how it is. So now, when you are not losing, now your own is now to All right. Sorry. I think I will not want to take time. So when you're not losing now, you need to understand that, are you learning from the losses you are making? Because that's another problem if you're not learning from your losses. All right, so that's all about that. So I want to end this session here. So we are going to continue again on our private group. I have my students, we have the monthly, the yearly. Now I want to announce this before I will end this, that all my students in the monthly group now, all right, I want to give you free access now to the yearly group. So this is what they're going to be doing for me. If you can make 100% of your capital, all right, that you start with, immediately you make it and you show me the history. you will join the yearly mentorship. So for those people in yearly mentorship, if you can make 100% of your current capital or whatever money you deposit in your trading account, whatever amount of money there, if you can make 100% of it, then you will join my lifetime membership, lifetime, without paying anything, right? Without paying anything. So, and that is the announcement I have for you guys. So I just need your consistency in it. So those people that are just coming in, so if you're interested in either the yearly or the monthly, so you go for both. So those people that are in the monthly already, so I have a package for you. If you can have 100% of your capital with my strategy, with what I'm teaching you, you can have you can make 100%. You join the yearly for free without paying anything. But if you can't, it means that you still need to work on yourself, and I may need for you to renew your subscription again. But if you can show me that you are consistent, you are intentional, you are serious about what you are doing, then you have free access. Okay, so it depends on the one you want to be part of. And those people that are already with us, congratulations. So on Sunday we are going to be having a class like this by the grace of God for only my students alone. For my students alone. All right. So now this will be the end of today's webinar. So if you have any question, we just have like few minutes to ask. So you're welcome. Anybody with question? We have just like 5 minutes. We have 5 minutes for question and answer now. 5 minutes for question, 5 minutes for question and answer. Yeah. I'm saying yes. We just have 5 minutes. So you have like a minute for your question. Nobody wants to ask question. So it means that we all understand, or let me say we all understood what I've said so far. So
it's like somebody want to speak. Somebody want to speak.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, continue. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Please, when you are drawing the trend line, whatever, like the uptrend, the lower trend. So if peradventure that where in that area that is maybe consolidating now break down, so and touch this, I don't know what's that the like in that uptrend when it's consolidating and touch the lowest price there. So if it touches it and refuse to go up back, and when it touches it, we are supposed to enter a buy position. So when it touches it and go down again, so how can we determine if it will go up or it will go down? Since it's an uptrend and it has touches the area we expect price to move up again.
All right, so that's a very good question. So Mr. Adekunle is one of my students, and I'll be glad to have your answer very proper. So, all right, so because of time, but if you want to start that, we're not going to leave here today. So don't worry, I will show you practically everything on Sunday, right? So I've noted your question, all right? So it's very simple, but I'll show you a practical example. I don't want to waste much time here on this so that we can have time to do, some of the things that you want to do. So, Mr. Adekunle, so don't worry, I will get back to your answer. So it's very pretty simple. That's what we call about price action. So when there is a reaction at that zone, you need to interpret it. So that's why you have to come to a lower time frame to interpret what is going on at that zone. So you don't just buy blindly or you sell blindly at that zone. You have to understand what the pattern is giving you. All right. So don't worry, I'll show you the practical example on the charts on Sunday, right? When we have the mentorship class. Okay. So sorry for that. I do because of time. I would not want to, start showing you that here because of time. We have no time. All right. So I want to be precise with the with the class that we're having right now. Okay. So we are reacting to price. We react to price. So we don't predict. We react to what the market is trying to give us. If it's saying buying, we buy. If it doesn't say buy, we leave it. We let it do whatever it wants to do. So we react to price. Okay. So that's very good. So Mr. Adekunle, I think I've been able to clear that one. So don't worry, I will dwell more on it on Sunday during our mentorship class. All right. I think I've been able to at least answer, if not all, but a part of what you have asked. So I'll clarify it more better. Okay. So thank you very much. So is there anybody that
All
wants to
right.
ask questions again? I'm looking at my time. We have just a few minutes to go. And also I think there's no question again. So in the absence of none, no question. In the absence of none. So please do well to share the link everywhere on your status. Share it. We're going to be having another session like this pretty soon. So share it and let people join. Let them join for free. Okay. Let them join the Telegram channel and let's build it. Let's build this channel. Don't forget that our vision for this academy is that we want to build traders, build profitable traders with a what? With a simple strategy. That's our vision. That's our motto. That's our aim. All right. So thank you all for coming. I really appreciate. So if you want to ask any question, so I'm always available here on my DM. If you don't have my WhatsApp, you can just DM me on send me a DM on Telegram. I will give you my WhatsApp contact. We can have a chat, talk, discuss. All right. So thank you all for coming. So have a wonderful night rest. So I really appreciate your coming. So thank you all. Thank you, Ms. Adekunle. Thank you. I'm saying Odon Franca. I'm saying Ayomide Ezekiel. I'm seeing Amaraj. I'm seeing Abdul. So thank you. Don't forget to invite someone. Let's build this channel, all right? So that we can be having classes like this for free. So once I'm not tired of making classes, don't be tired of coming. Don't be tired of inviting people to join the free classes, all right? So thank you very much and have a wonderful night rest.